Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Today we're going to check out the Birdfy Metal Smart Bird Feeder, and Birdfy sent us this for the review. So we've got the Birdfy Metal up here. It's the little green house. It's got a camera built in the center. This camera here came with the Birdfy pole, and so it's the Birdfy pole camera. So we have a lot of cameras here watching our birds, and it's really cool because every time a bird comes to the feeder, we get a little notification on our phones that says, "Guess who's here?" It's pretty cool. What's really neat about it is that you can adjust the sensitivity so you don't get like everybody walking by in your backyard, but you can see the birds and it identifies them using AI so you know what kind of bird it is. So we have the feeder installed here on this pole that Birdfy sent us this, and we really love this pole because last year we had a bird feeder in the backyard and we kind of had a little war going on with our squirrels. This is really nice because it's got this little bouncy thing right here, and really, so far, fingers crossed, it's kept the squirrels off the feeder, and the birds don't eat too much of the food. So it's really easy to refill the feeder. You just take it down off the pole. There's a really nice mount on the back there. You can just lift it up and slide it off. Then you lift up the roof and you fill it with bird feed, and it's good to go. Put it back on and it's ready for the birds. It's also got a little perch here that you can pull out. We had that pulled out at first, but then we pushed it back. That seems to work better. This is a kind of a small feeder, so really we only see maybe one or two birds at a time, which is nice because we really get a nice close-up of the birds when they're feeding. We have it here kind of in the shade and these trees. We really like it in this little area, but we did have a problem keeping it charged, so we got a little Y connector so we could put another solar panel up here. So we have two solar panels here keeping the whole system charged right now, and so far it's working really well. You do need a good Wi-Fi connection to get the camera to work, especially to see the live view. Even with our Wi-Fi connection working, sometimes it takes a little while before the live view comes up, but it does come up if you want to see the birds while they're in action. But really the best part of it is to look back and see, oh, a lesser goldfinch came today, a cowbird came today, a California scrub jay came today, and you can look in the app and you can actually sort the birds based on when they've appeared in your feeder. There are some improvements we'd like to see on the app. Right now, Mark installed the Birdfy into the app and has installed all of the cameras, and I'm sharing all of those Birdfys in my own app, so I have no control whatsoever, which means I can't adjust the sensitivity or the notifications. I'm going to get whatever he gets. So that would be really nice if I could kind of tailor those notifications to myself. The Bird AI, I got to say, it is getting better. It's not always that accurate, though. I've seen it identify some birds that I've looked up and I know they don't live in our area. But when you see that with the birds, you can also go back and let them know inside the app, which really makes it nice so they can get the AI to work better. And once you get in the app, if you're curious about that bird, you can click on it and it will show you more information about the bird so you can learn about it. So we really love the Birdfy Metal. We especially love using it on this metal pole. It's been really nice, and we love seeing all the birds come to our backyard. Thank you for watching.